Hey everyone, this is John Sullivan with Cleardata. In this video, I'm going to talk about our filters within the post-recovery process in the Cleardata software application. So the page I'm looking at right now is our post-recovery process within Cleardata. And as you can see, there's three columns. If we start on the column on the left, this is our filters. Our center column is the open accounts. And this right-hand column is the detail. So let's talk about the filters. Our filters are over here again on the left hand side, and as you'll see, these are very similar to the way the filters are built within Clearplan. And we did this on purpose so that you guys can come in here and you're already used to the way the filters work within Clearplan, so this should be no big deal for you guys in Cleardata. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start from the top on our filters here. And as you can see right here, we've got this input box that says search anything. And literally it means what it means. You can search anything in this box. We can search for a VIN. So we can type in test 1. And you can see the filters came out with the Chevy Malibu right here with test 1 on the last ones of that VIN. We can also search for 1965 for my 1965 Corvette. We can also search for any kind of lien holder. So let's search for Santander, and you can see we have two accounts come up here. So this box right here, guys, really it is search anything. You're going to type in there and you're going to search for different things, and this list view right here will update as you start searching. If we come down here, we've got our lots. So in Cleardata, every single account that comes over, you're going to want to assign to a lot, and this filter is really nice. I could just simply click here, and as you can see, we have 5 lots right here. So I can say, okay, show me only accounts that are in Henderson. So if I click on Henderson, you can see we have 1 account in Henderson. And if I take that back off, we show everything again. Or I can say, let me see any accounts in Vegas. And I can also double up. So I can say, okay, let me look at accounts that are in Vegas and Pahrump. And you can see this updates. So let me take these 2 off. And again, like Clearplan, we're going to put this red on flag just to let you know that, hey, you do have filters that are on. So let's take Pahrump off. Now we're back to how we were. And you can also search by whatever tasks. So we have condition report, keys, pictures, personal property, RCM, repo report. So you can go through here and search on things that you want to find out more. So let me see. I want to look for any accounts that the keys are in the approved state. Okay, cool. I have 1 account that's in the approved state, right? And I could do other things. I could look at pictures, which ones are being uploaded, which ones are ready, and so on and so forth. Personal property, and same thing. So what we're doing here is these filters on the left are going to filter down this center column and show you any accounts that match your filter criteria. One important thing I want to note here on the filters is that they will work for open accounts and for closed accounts. So if you'll see right now, we're in open accounts. If I want to view my closed accounts, I'll just simply come here and say, let me look at my completed accounts. So I have 2 completed accounts here, and the filters are going to work the exact same way. So if I want to see what's in Henderson, obviously I don't have anything in Henderson, so it's going to show nothing. I only have 2 accounts that are in Sparks. But I could search on different things. So these are my closed accounts. And let's just go back to our open accounts right here. It's all our open accounts. So guys, the filters on the left are very useful. Mix and match with those, and you could do any kind of different combinations that you want to get to look and see the specific account that you're looking for.